Hi people, this is Anand Prakash, and in this video I am trying to tell you about how you can highlight the duplicate cells. So in this data set we have a list of students in column A, and in column B we have a list of teachers. But in this case we have only one teacher. But sometimes what happens that people make duplicate entries in forms like this. So let's say a student's name is Shilpa Kumari. Now somebody has just copied the name Shilpa Kumari. Then this is the wrong entry because this teacher name is Shilpa Gupta and here it is written as Shilpa Kumari. So there is a way to highlight such duplicate entries. You need to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Now you can apply this formula on both A and B column. So it will be A to B. Now the highlighting color would be yellow. Now need to go to custom formula and write and absolute A1 is equal to absolute B1 and absolute A1 is not equal to T space. So here it is highlighting this cell. Now if you want to check if this formula works on alphanumeric code or not, you can write 123 QWE 123 QWE and you have to see this applies here as well. It will also apply on symbols. You can see let's check if it applies on a sentence as well or not. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. See, it applies here. It is highlighting because it is duplicated. But what if you want to prevent such duplication? Then here is a way. You can use the AND function for the same thing. You need to go to Data tab, then Data Validation. Now this formula will again apply on A to B column. A to B column. And from criteria you need to go to custom formula. You need to write down and absolute A1 is not equal to absolute B1. Close the bracket. Now here you can choose this option to basically reject the input. Reject the input. Done. Now if I am writing Shyam, say there was a problem. The data you entered in cell B14 violates the data validation rule set on this cell. The benefit of using column A and column B is this, that if your data is deep and it goes to many numbers, let's say it is this, the cell number is A1023 and you write here 123. Again you will type the same thing in cell B1023. You will see there is a problem. The data you entered in cell B1023 violates the data validation rule set on this cell. So this is how you can use the AND function to highlight duplicate and prevent them from happening. Thank you so much, and if you have liked my video then please like and subscribe.